Good evening, everyone. I dedicated this song to everyone who fall in love, who got to be fall in love, or either it's loveless or everything. You're not loveless. We are all in love inside. Okay, happy Valentine's, everyone, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this song. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my chains I've spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. We are the plans we made for two. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're next to me. You say it's too hard to fake it, but it's too late to try. And in our time that you wasted, all our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my chains I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. We are the plans we made for two. Happy after it exists, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid life song I'd be sick of, yeah. You turn your back on tomorrow, cause you forgot yesterday. I give you my love to borrow, but you just give it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, all turned off the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my chains I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. We are the plans we made for two. If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid life song I'd be sick